So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand batteries. You want to update the battery that will come here. So you want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. You may also have another battery right here that says Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. It might say that or something similar to that. You also want to update the drivers for that as well. So again, right click on it, update driver, search, and you want to update the drivers for that as well. Once you update those drivers, next you want to right click on your battery and then click on disable. And then click on yes, which will now disable it. Also, if you have another battery like the one I mentioned earlier, you want to right click on it and then disable that as well. Once you disable both the batteries, you want to wait for like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you want to re-enable your batteries again. So right click, enable device. And if you have another battery, you want to enable that battery as well. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed. You can now open up the power and battery settings and it should be working.